Welcome back to Quiz Booster. Let's check your observation skill with odd one-out puzzles. We've got 20 fresh and exciting puzzles waiting for you. Complete all 20 levels to win the trophy. Are you ready for the challenge?
Quiz 1.
Can you spot the odd emoji? Great job, you found it.
Quiz 2. Quiz 3.
Can you spot the odd butterfly here? Excellent, you figured it out.
Quiz 4. Quiz 5.
Can you find the odd panda here? Excellent, you figured it out.
Quiz 6. Quiz 7.
Look closely. Can you identify the odd emoji? Great job, you found it.
Quiz 8. Quiz 9.
Can you spot the odd fox here? Great job, you found it.
Quiz 11.
One emoji is different. Can you figure it out? Fantastic, you saw it.
Quiz 12.
Excellent, you figured it out.
Quiz 13.
Look closely. Can you identify the odd emoji? Fantastic, you saw it.
Quiz 14. Quiz 15. Quiz 16. Quiz 17.
Can you pick out the spider that's different? Great job, you found it.
Quiz 18. Quiz 19.
Can you find the odd Spider-Man? Fantastic, you saw it.
Quiz 20.
Fantastic, you saw it. Comment your score and follow us for more.